To set up the face unlock feature on Xiaomi 15 Ultra, we need to go to settings. Then over here we need to scroll down and choose fingerprints, face data and screen lock. And then we want to select face unlock. Of course, we need to enter the screen lock password. And if you don't have screen lock, then you will need to set it up first. You will be asked to do so over here. Once you do that, once you unlock your phone or set up the password for your phone, then you will see the information about about adding face data. So we need to simply press start. Of course, we have the attention information that the face unlock feature is less secure than a password. Well, of course, we can press next in order to scan our face. So of course, we will see the frame, and we need to put our face within the frame. And once you add it, you will see the information that we have added our face data successfully. So we can press done. And we have the face unlock settings where we can find our face data here. We can add another face data. We can unlock our phone using face data. And we also have additional settings here. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel and see you in my next videos. Bye.